How's it going, guys? Xaikoo here. Today I have something really interesting with me right now. It's a quick vid, so this is gonna be a really quick thing because this is something which is not spectacularly new in the market. We all have had at least one battery backup power adapter or a brick with us every now and then. So this is something which you all have either had or seen, but this one right here is very specific because this one is made specially for pilots. So this is my second last review, I believe, pilot quick vid and videos and series basically. So let's go ahead, unbox this thing and see how this actually performs in the real world. Talking about the box, this thing is a 10,000 milliamp power capacity. It's not a lot, but this thing is basically just designed for the small equipments you might need in a flight to charge, especially for pilots. Like a lot of pilots use their iPad. A lot of them use like the handheld I showed in the video. I'll link it right here, you guys can see. So this is basically designed for only and only those people, and this is not something you want to have when you have a lot of equipments and you're just flying, going from one place to another and not planning to charge your device every now and then. So this is basically for only those people who are flying the plane and who would probably need something in the flight. And that's basically about it. All right, a lot of talking. Let's go ahead. Let's talk about the box. It just has a picture of the brick right here, the charging brick. In the back, there's a kind of a diagram of what to expect when you unbox and use this brick. It says there that it has 3 charging ports, 10,000 milliamp hour of capacity. This uses Type-C charger, micro USB and Type-C chargers. That's pretty awesome. Quick Charge 3.0, pretty cool once again. Anyway, let's go ahead, let's unbox this thing and yeah, see how it goes. Wow, I'm really loving how they planned the whole unbox. It's like a drawer coming out of its cabin. It's pretty awesome. And as you can see right here, we have the brick. Wow, this feels amazing in hand. There also is this flight gear, like kind of like a cheat sheet maybe in the back. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, every now and then, if you are curious on what to do, and you probably, you know, it always happens to us when we forget what exactly we're supposed to do at this point. So there's a whole cheat sheet in the back. Well, pretty awesome. This is truly amazing. I love the way it feels in the hand. So pretty neat. Let's go and see what else is in the box. Okay, so there's a quick user manual. Maybe you need this, I don't know. And the power adapter, the amazing power adapter. I have to say it amazing, come on. This charges my thing. I don't want this to be insulted and not work when I need it to. All right, enough about that. Let's see how this thing actually performs. So as you guys can see right here, this has 2 USBs port right on the left and the right, and in the center, if you guys can see, there is this amazing USB-C charging port. So if you have an iPad or something like that where you want to connect a USB-C right here and a USB-C out, you can use that and charge it. And I believe this right here is where you plug in to charge this device and you know, make it prepared to be available to you when you need it to. And that's pretty much about it. All right, what I'm gonna do is, as usual, I'm gonna take some time, review this thing on my own and see how it actually goes. Until then, you guys have a safe time and watch this amazing clip.